coming from Jason Thomas in a World Supercross press release. We kind of have some hints at some big changes and maybe plans for Haiden Deegan. Now, the big one, or well, I guess one of the biggest ones, obviously, changing gear sponsors. And it sounds like he's going to Fox, or going to be wearing the Fox kit in 2026. And JT, speaking on the Live Motocross podcast, saying, quote, "He's got a lot of changes to make. I'm sure the PR is coming with him switching to Fox. That's all done long since I've seen photos of it. That's all happening, so I'm sure that'll come out at some point here. As far as does he race any West Coast Supercross races? I think there's a plan in place. The questions will be, how does he feel in December? Because I think it's pretty easy for them to pivot and do it. They're going to send a race-ready 450 on the truck to California. There's no doubt in my mind that's going to get sent. He'll be practicing. We'll see how Argentina goes. See if he races Australia next in November. December on the 250 and the 450, I think it'll just be a judgment call. And who knows? That could be kind of cool. Switching gears. And if he's going to be racing the West Coast, obviously, on a 450, that means he'd be racing the East Coast for the defending of or I guess technically his second 250 title, or the chance at it. And then, what is it? Motocross for 450? Yeah, 450 for motocross. And then it's, into the big boys next year. But sounds like it could be fun. Obviously, it does depend how, like you said, World Supercross, the two events he's doing now, with the second one being announced, last week or something, that he's doing not just Argentina, but also Australia. So a lot of flying, a lot of off-season training and racing. Hopefully, everyone stays healthy so we can have a good A1. But this is kind of exciting. I mean, obviously, big news of changing gear sponsors. That's that's a lot of the money right there, and you want everything to be how you like it. So switching, I'm assuming, can be a big thing. We look how many people did it last year with Webb and Vial going back to, was it Fox? Alpine Star? I don't remember. But who knows? Big money for that. And then, like we said, we'll see what coast he ends up racing. If it's announced, or if it hasn't been, or if it has been, I don't know. Comment down below and tell me that I'm just wrong. But otherwise, it sounds like 250 East Coast, 450 for some Supercross out west, and then we'll see where it goes from there. But comment down below, tell me what you think. Are you excited to World Supercross? Do you just want Supercross to start again? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things that the platform allows you to do, because it does really help me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.